Welcome back, y'all, to another egoBLACK Reacts, where we react to anime all day, every day. And today we are reacting to Jujutsu Kaisen Episode 6. You heard me? This episode is called After Rain, man. So let's get into this joint, man. But actually, before we get into this joint, make sure y'all like, subscribe, become members on the Patreon, hit that notification bell so you know every single time we drop on the YouTube. You are appreciated. On the last episode of this joint, we was at the point where the demon fully took over his body and reached in, pulled his heart out, and he pretty much died. But now they got the vessel of his body and they trying to bring him back to life. So we gonna see what's his outcome today, man. We gonna see what's going down. So far, so good. Lego, let's jump into this. After Rain, episode 6. Yeah, they having like an internal battle. Oh, they about to get busy. Fight scene. Ooh, you can see the confidence on the on the demon. He wasn't even nervous. I knew he was about to finesse that kid. Oh, snap. He did fall for it. I'm surprised. Oh, no, he didn't. Damn. I thought he had him for a second. Damn. Duh. Oh, that's not a bad negotiation right there. He said he won't kill or injure anyone. But yeah, he probably capping. Okay, so they made a deal. That seemed like a good deal. But I wonder why he wants that body for 1 minute. And if he's not going to kill or hurt anybody. Oh, good hit, my boy. Good hit, my boy. Rocked his shit. Rocked his jaw. Good hit, my boy. Oh, shit. He killed that motherfucker in 2.5 seconds.
see in this case with Yuji, the top of the Jujutsu world is a den of farce. Conservative fools, traditional fools, arrogant fools, just plain fools. It's a bargain sale on the rotten weekly. And I want to reset that garbage Jujutsu world.
Mm.
Murdering all the fools at the top would be an easy task, but no fix, because they'd all just get replaced and then there'd be no revolution. Plus, if I did that, no one would want to follow me. That's why I chose education instead, as a way to raise up strong, clever compatriots. And sometimes, it's also why I send students to do my mission.
Why he always got those shades over his eyes?
You to slept off, and they're all talented. Especially Hikari the third year and the second year of Kotsu. They'll become Jujutsu sorcerers on par with me. Yuji, you ruthless one.
Hey, you two. I'm going to get started. Are you going to watch from there?
That nigga just rose from the dead.
I'm a little bummed.
Yeah, well, it's embarrassing, but who are you?
Hey, Yuji. Welcome back.
Yo, well, thanks.
You're already a head above the rest when it comes to close combat, Yuji. So what you need to learn to do next is control cursed energy. And we need to add to your basic knowledge of Jujutsu. What's wrong?
Sorry, I'm just happy because I know you're the best and you're the one I wanted to have train me. Before, I was too weak and I couldn't save anybody. Worse, I nearly got Fushiguro killed. I won't be able to face them the way I am now. Make me strong. Make me into the strongest.
You've got a keen eye.
Well, actually, you already told me you were the strongest.
Alright, well, first take a look at those two soda cans over there. This is with cursed energy. And that's cursed technique.
I see. No, I don't.
Okay. Then think of cursed energy as electricity, and cursed techniques as electrical appliances. Electricity by itself is hard to use.
They breaking this down.
Why we run that electricity through appliances to achieve various results. Here I just fired off pure cursed energy. Whereas here I channeled cursed energy into a cursed technique to activate it, twisting the can with Jujutsu.
All right, so I get to learn a really good curse technique now, huh?
No, you can't use cursed techniques. Aside from simple Shikigami and your basic barriers, cursed techniques are fundamental, etched into your body from the day you were born. So the power
What the hell?
sorcerer is about 80% and not 10%. You okay?
Yeah, I just thought I'd be able to pull up thunder, fire, or a power bomb or something.
You can do a power bomb.
Yeah, he turned into a straight paper mache. He turned into straight origami.
I wanted to pull off a spirit god or a vampire or a Rasengan.
You just can't use them yet, but eventually, synchronous cursed techniques will be engraved into your body. Let's just ignore the things you can't do and work on enhancing your strengths. We will imbue your fighting style with cursed energy. I'm way more scared of someone
What the hell is wrong with him, bro? He is hella sick right now. He tight.
But wait a second, I already know how to do that. Against that special grade, got it to work somehow.
Then give it a try. Hit me here. Not that I think you can.
Don't blame me if you get hurt.
Come on, hurry up, try it. That punch has zero cursed energy.
But why?
Because it requires negative emotions. In the fight that you'll recall, you were probably brimming with fear in your anger.
So you have to constantly be flipping out in order to use your cursed energy? But now that you mention it, Fushiguro's always picked on it.
Not quite.
Pushiguro is always tight, bro.
Oh, I don't mean with you.
Only a month and a half left. So no daydreaming. Now here, try your hand at the long one next.
avoid wasting their cursed energy when their emotions are flaring up as well. There are several training methods for this. The one I'm going to use on you is especially exhausting.
Okay, what's that?
Watching movies.
Watching movies?
Yep.
Huh?
From classics to C-grade horror movies to terrible French films. Non-stop as long as you can stay awake.
This a part of their training?
Watch them all alone.
Watching movies?
You'll be watching them with this guy.
Oh, what's with the cute but creepy doll?
It's cute. It's another cursed corpse.
From the principal. Yeah, I recognize his style. But I'm not seeing the point here.
Don't be hasty now. We'll see soon enough.
Oh!
Will wake up and attack you just like that if you don't keep cursed energy flowing into it.
What the hell?
We've got all kinds of movies here.
So basically he's saying he gotta watch all of these movies and in the meantime be prepared to react to that little damn cursed doll punching him at any moment. So if you get too lost into the movie or whatever you watching, you will get your shit rocked is basically what he's saying. So he gotta stay focused without being focused. I get it. Oh.
Cursed energy, no matter what emotions are feeling. You can't use too much or too little. For now, I have it set to the faint level.
Oh, so he's teaching him how to balance his cursed energy.
So you can't let your guard down.
I couldn't let it down even if I wanted to.
Where do you want to start? I recommend this one. The heroine's annoying, but she dies gloriously in the end.
Thanks for the spoiler.
Damn, for real.
Start with an action adventure. Come on!
Hey, keep that cursed energy steady. Carrying cursed tools, huh? I'm fine with saying
Everything is cursed. You gotta curse. You gotta curse. You gotta curse. He's the damn cursed Oprah.
Oh, I make panic. Yeah, but he can't do that. It's a rare ability. And it takes time to tame them, too. But if you do find any, let me know.
it'll cost your year's supply of countless. Once I've done this, why did you run? Kind of a waste of your talents. Well, I have the potential to gain special traits. Is that what I meant by that?
Huh? What's that?
Xanet, I think I know how to do it.
Oh, that's the movie he watching. Keep that cursed energy up. Ah, damn.
Don't attack me while I'm drinking soda!
Don't drink.
You can't watch a movie without chips and soda!
You have a point there. Well, Gojo's gotta get going. So just keep hanging in here.
Is this really gonna make me stronger?
Oh yeah. While you were dead, did you talk to Suki?
Sure.
And before he repaired your heart, did he suggest any pills or make conditions?
Yes, he did.
I think he did say something like that. But I can't remember what it was.
I see.
Yep, he on to him. He on to him.
We have some talk.
He took right off. Woo! Demon time. It's time to see what this guy got. He always on vacation. Let's see what his hands is like. That was episode 6. Dope episode. Can't lie. I enjoyed it. I want to really see that scene when the master of the classes that's teaching the classes fights that demon, because I want to see what his hands do. He always on vacation. He always chilling, man. I want to see what them hands do, bro. I want to see if he know how to fight. You know what I mean? So I guess we're going to see that on episode 7, because it ended right damn on that fight scene, man. I was excited to see that joint too, but we're going to definitely catch it next time when we continue this series. I actually enjoyed that episode. It was interesting. I liked how he got to watch movies and balance his cursed energy so he don't get hit by that little demon punching bag thingy. I liked it. Good episode, man. So we're going to continue this series for sure and see how this turns is out. Let me know what y'all think in the comment box below. And please become members of that Patreon. Follow me on Twitter at egoBLACK. The O and ego is with a 0. And follow me on IG at egoBLACK_official. Appreciate y'all as always, man. See y'all next time. Peace.